Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this viewpoint. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And from that point of view, nothing really new to update. The price is still within the range, but that's also kind of the key thing, is the price is still within the range. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have, then I'm sure you've seen stocks or whatever, not necessarily stocks, really anything, a crypto or an option or a currency pair, regardless. But you see some sort of price movement where the price makes a great move up, and then all of a sudden the price is right back to where it started. That did not happen today, and it wasn't even close. I realized that today's price action, especially with the first 30 minutes dropping and then just going sideways the remainder of the day, was today's price movement necessarily exciting? No, it definitely wasn't very exciting, but that doesn't mean that it wasn't healthy. In fact, this was very healthy because at the end of the day, the price is absorbing and doing its best to chip away at building this new base. And the preferable base, where if it can continue to hold above that 860 mark, then that would definitely give it a good, healthy overall base. Now, there is a little perspective that goes into this. If you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes today, well then yeah, from that point of view, maybe the charts got you pretty frustrated. But again, from the grand scheme of it all, the price, although boring today, still has an opportunity and is continuing to chip away and build those higher lows. As far as areas of kind of ideal support, buyers definitely stepped in here quite a bit at $8.80. So that would be, the preferable level, meaning what would make this chart look the best. Definitely if the price could stay above $8.80, but, by no means am I saying that if the price falls below $8.80, that somehow that implies this entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. That is not the case, but that would, if the price could manage to stay above it, that would be a great sign of power. And then again, as far as overall level of resistance is concerned, up there at 925. So yes, today was super boring, but it was a very healthy boring. And, assuming you do care about the big picture of it all, that's what it's all about. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.